All right, welcome to a review video. Today we are reviewing a heated vest. A company reached out to me, asked me if I wanted to review it, and I asked Jen, and Jen said, yeah, send her the vest, she'll wear it, and we'll see what it's all about. So real quick, let's just jump right into it, and we'll get it going. So when you first get it, you open it up, and you got the user guide. It's AUXO, okay? I don't know. I guess, I don't know how to pronounce that.
I don't think there is a pronunciation.
I don't think there is. Maybe it's just AUXO. So we got the user guide. And this must be the battery. So the battery that usually goes in these type of jackets, or in this case a vest. Let's open it up. Comes with a little power cord. It looks like maybe USB-C. Doesn't come with a power brick. And there's the battery. Let's take a look. Here's the vest. So packaged well. It's not much to it. It's vacuumed. All right. There we have it. Okay. Looks pretty nice.
What size is it?
Simple. This is a extra large. It's a nice soft material. It's like a not a windbreaker type, but it looks like it will repel, like a shell, repel the wind. Also, probably water. I'm going ahead and put it up. This is definitely not made for. I'm a 2X. But I was able to squeeze into it, folks. So we'll have Jen give this a try. Jackie and I work with her. Okay, there you go. Got two nice. This is definitely a woman's jacket. My hands are a little bit, but they fit. All right, so the controls are here. Let me see where you plug in the battery. Okay, this is what I was looking for. There's a little pocket in here. So we're gonna open the pocket. Whoop. Reach in here, we should have a little wire. And there's the wire. And that's gonna plug into our battery. So it's like this. You're gonna plug this in like so. We're gonna put it in the pocket, zip it back up. Now you're ready to rock and roll. I gotta be careful. Yeah. There it goes. I don't know the temperatures, but I'll probably put them up on the screen. So basically it looks like there's different zones. All right, so this is zone is on the sides. And this zone is here. Oh, in the back. Let me see, you can turn both on. Yes, okay. So you got the back and you got the front. So the back is like, there's a heating element across the lower back and right on the spine there area. And in the front, it's just right along here. Ooh, nice. It's good. Stick your hands in your pocket. The pockets are nice and toasty. That's nice. I can feel it on my back when I push. Yep. All right, so what we're going to do is give this a try. And if you're a subscriber, you're going to see this in our videos to come, and we'll give you updates We'll tell you how great it is. If you're a subscriber, you know I do that with any product I review, and I'll give you the history at the end of the season, what we thought of it, everything like that. It's simple. It's a heated vest.
Looks nice though.
It looks nice, of course, because I'm wearing it. But folks, you're outside. If anything like me, right now, it is fall time in Vermont. It's brisk. It is 49 degrees outside right now, okay? So if you're outside right now, it is a little chill in the air. And if you're hanging out by the campfire or something, and your hands are getting a little cold, oh, stick your hands in, game changer. My hands are nice. Folks, size up. I got Jen an extra large. Jen could take extra large. But like I said, I have a problem because I don't have a chest like Jennifer does. But there's no way this thing's zipping up. So I think Jen probably would take a 2X in this. It looks very, unlike me, like I had trouble getting it over my back.
Yeah,
it feels like if I flex, I'll split it. Yeah. But it fits really nice on Jennifer, except for the front. Yeah. The front's that's not happening. But, yeah, put your hands in your pockets.
Yeah, feels good. I never zip anything up anyway, but yeah, I would definitely size up.
Size up. Size up, folks.